The purpose of this video is to characterize a quality answer to be explained to learners before they begin their work on the case. The goal for learners as they work through ETIPS cases is to develop increasingly sophisticated decision-making skills, like those of expert educational leaders in the field. To help novices develop more expert-like decision-making, discuss with them the rubric criteria and share examples of high-quality case answers. High-quality answers are detailed, comprehensive, and coherent. They exhibit a consistent line of logic throughout the case responses. Answers not only reflect an understanding of the facts and evidence in the case, but also are integrative and comprehensive. To assist participants in constructing quality answers and instructors in evaluating them, a detailed rubric is provided to learners as a handout on their homepage and in the instructor's gradebook. Each case prompt has rubric criteria to score responses on a scale of 0 to 3. Higher scores on this scale represent increasingly sophisticated and more expert-like responses. A level of 0 reflects an answer that does not connect to the case or is vague. A score of 1 shows that the answer has a loose connection to the case or offers a rudimentary understanding of the case. A score of 2 means that the answer interprets and adequately explains the situation. A score of 3 applies to answers that are robust and thorough, showing a clear and holistic understanding of the question posed. Some sample participant responses illustrate these differences in complexity and sophistication. The first prompt for Step 1 states, "Consider what is going on at the school. Generate 3 to 5 explanations that you think could account for this. Check the one that you believe is at the heart of the issue." The rubric for this question discriminates among responses based on whether participants are listing facts versus complex issues that really get at the root of what is occurring at the school. Learners' explanatory fluency, accuracy, and detail are all assessed for this question. Participant A lists facts from the case, but does not provide a thorough and cohesive or a holistic explanation of the issue the school faces. Participant B, on the other hand, provides multiple explanations that fit the given facts and evidence from the case. Participant B's responses move beyond just listing facts and synthesize multiple data points into a more holistic explanation of the dynamics within the school. In Step 4, participants are asked how they will set direction for the school based on the alternative they selected in Step 3. Specifically, participants are asked to describe how they will articulate the direction, what performance expectations they have, and what data they will collect or monitor to keep the school on track. The rubric's criteria for this question assesses the depth and breadth of the plan of action. A high score indicates a rich mix of strategies that would help the school achieve the desired goal and shows long-term planning as opposed to a response that is more simplistic and short-term. This learner's response scored a 0 because it only lists one strategy. This answer scored a 3 because it offered a rich mix of strategies for strengthening the school culture, modifying organizational structures, building collaborative processes, or managing the school environment. ETIPS cases provide an opportunity for learners to make their critical thinking visible through the breadth and depth of their thinking and the general sophistication of their decision-making skills, and help learners move along the continuum from novice to expert decision makers. By sharing examples of more fully developed answers and providing specific feedback on case responses, you will encourage participants to think more deeply and fully about the identified issues and cases and ultimately improve their decision-making ability as future school leaders.